This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Dulcie Graberchik. Large 4-bedroom 3-bath house in 55-plus community of West Neck. Well-maintained home with open floor plan on an oversized corner lot. Spacious family room with cathedral ceilings and gas fireplace. Updated LVT flooring throughout first floor. Updated kitchen features new refrigerator, range, and microwave. Eat-in kitchen as well as formal dining room. First floor primary bedroom with ensuite bathroom and walk-in closet, along with additional bedroom and full bath on first floor. Loft with 2 large bedrooms and a full bath on the second floor. Lots of storage with 2 walk-in closets and attic space. 2-car garage with mud sink and irrigation pump. Active community with pool, exercise room.